Alright, I'm going to tell you all a little bit about myself. I'm, of course, Brian Clemens. I'm 24, and I live in West Virginia. Got 3 kids, one of them you'll hear in the background here in just a second. And then, got a beautiful wife. But the reason being that we're all here is because we all have something in common, or had something in common. And it's because I am 200 pounds and I don't like what I see in the mirror. And I know that some of you who are bigger than me would love to be my size. And I understand that people that get told you need to eat a cheeseburger would love to be my size. And I get that. I really do understand that. But we both look in the mirror and don't see like what we see. And I used to always be the guy that was told, you need to eat a cheeseburger. Shoot, man, I was 100 pounds soaking wet. It was rough. And then, somewhere along the way, I am now 200 pounds. I don't really know what happened. Everybody just says, oh, you bulked up. I just ate and ate and ate. So now I'm trying to eat 1,800 calories a day. At the max, 1,900. Just because, you can't always get exactly 1,800. And then I've been eating 100 I think it's 49. I have an app called Macros downloaded, and it has been really helping me keep track. You can scan a barcode and stuff like that, so it's really, really cool. And anyway, I think it's like 149 grams of protein. It's like 371 grams of carbs. But yeah, I've been trying my hardest to keep as close as possible. I know that's the hardest part of all this, is that's why I needed an app, because I don't remember a lot. And so as soon as I eat something, I will put it down on the thing, or drink something. Even though it's kind of tricky, you don't really have drinks on there. It has it under snacks, so you got to put that in. Anyway, we're all here because of a fitness journey, and y'all are going to tune in to it. I'm only going to show a little bit of my workouts this week, just because this week is just getting to know me, and then next week is going to be really showing the pumps. I know. I also think I'm probably looking at my lower tooth. Yeah, well, I do have teeth. It just, this one kind of got knocked out, and I haven't gotten it fixed yet. But anyway, I will see y'all on the videos of the journey to getting swole. So today is back and bicep. Stay well.